Hey y'all, welcome to the vlog. So your girl is about to do some steak and potatoes. I already got the potatoes in here. Oh, cut up. I'm about to go ahead and wow. Waste some water, y'all. Waste some water. But hopefully you can see. Just have to move that out the way. Let me do this real quick. I gotta make some room real quick. Oh, this was she did the potatoes. She just cut up some potatoes. Okay. It ain't gonna take me a minute. It ain't gonna take long. Okay. Let's move this. Let's put this over here. Okay. You know, I do my little setup, y'all. Gotta. So welcome to the vlog, y'all. How y'all doing? Happy Monday. Monday it is. Monday it is. I'm gonna try to get this a little bit, make this a little quick, simple. So we already have the steaks on thawing overnight, and these are the beef chalk slice steak. These some healthy ones too. My goodness. You said only a half. Girl, these things is huge. Let me see. Only a half. Okay, we're gonna work with this one right here. To rinse it off, we're gonna work with this one. Just get out a quick rinse. I'm gonna put it on this plate right here, and y'all just watch me just cut it up. I'm gonna try to get a little bit of footage of the cooking process. I don't know if I'm gonna do the cooking process, but I'm just gonna cut this like this. But how was y'all day? It's like 11 o'clock now. Making some, about to start lunch. So it's gonna be steak and potatoes for lunch. Y'all, I miss this so much. And y'all gonna see a lot more of me prepping and you know, making meals and stuff. It's nothing but up for here. I'm gonna give y'all an update on what's going on, because as you can see, I am in a different setting now. So I'm gonna give y'all an update on what's going on. I'm gonna see so I'm just gonna go ahead and just put these in, square these on up. Okay. Take what? Oh, you got some? Oh. You say it's cream spinach? Oh, okay. Yeah, she trying to make a whole meal. This supposed to be lunch. You trying to make a whole meal, okay? Y'all, lunch ain't supposed to be heavy. Y'all, she got some potatoes. She is not playing. She said, you know what? Them eyes gonna be bigger than that stomach. That's what's gonna happen. Watch. But it's okay. We roll with the punches. So I'm gonna keep on. I'm gonna go ahead and cut these up. I'm gonna show y'all. She got the what she got? The cream spinach. I don't know. I guess it's gonna be on the side. I guess. Yeah, I don't know. 7 minutes. I'm trying to not make it too long. Okay. Hey, London. Leave your brother alone. Why you want to bother him? You better enjoy your brother. He gonna be going to school. You ain't gonna be seeing him. You better leave him alone. He gonna be going to school. He gonna be going to school. I'm gonna move that. Yeah, oh yeah, you gonna be going to school too. It ain't no use to start. Okay, stop hitting. Stop hitting.
Oh, people like how when I smell it. Here's what it is.
Oh, of course.
You got to go.
What happened?
I'm talking to you.
What else? All I heard say gotta go. What did you say before that?
She got to go.
Oh, London.
Bridges got to go.
I'm telling you. Okay, hold on, y'all. Okay, yeah. So I went on and diced these up for her. We are, she's got the potatoes. Once she get that together, I'm gonna show y'all that as well. She's gonna do some steak and potatoes with some cream. Some sauce, cream, spinach. Yeah, y'all. So, we back. Okay, y'all. So, this is what it's looking like.
Food ain't ready.
She hooking up some stuff over here. I know, I'm cutting your way. What is this called?
Cream of spinach and beef.
Cream of spinach and beef. Okay. And then she got the potatoes over there I showed y'all. What's the problem? Why are you whining? No, you had the tablet. Careful, let me help you. V, you had the tablet. Put it back over for her.
Okay. I'm breaking. I ain't got no food. Dang it.
I'm keeping an eye on for you. I ain't gonna let it burn. I only can do so much. Okay, yeah, so let me see the potato. She almost burnt the potatoes, y'all. Okay, let me see what you talking. Hold on, y'all, hold on. All right, y'all, so this is what it came out. Look at that. So good. Oh my gosh. That's some spinach, y'all. Spinach. Okay. Cream of spinach. I ain't gonna share her potatoes. They look a little grimy. The potatoes.
Whatever.
But this, and then she put a, y'all, she got a rib in here. What is wrong with her? She put a whole rib. She said, but it looks good though. Is it done though?
Yes, it's done.
I'm talking the rib.
Yeah, the rib is done. I fried it first.
Oh, okay, so y'all, I missed the frying part, y'all. I was multitasking, but we got the little bit. Look at that. Look at her plate, y'all. Look at her plate.
Give me the hot sauce. Never mind, right here.
You know what? She played too much, y'all. And she used this right here. There's some good stuff right here. That's that extra virgin olive oil right here. Extra virgin. Okay. Okay. And then look, that's not what you do, y'all. She is on the clock, y'all. She's multitasking. That's what we do. Us moms gotta do that, okay? I'm gonna turn it off. But yes, y'all, she came through for us. I'm gonna let y'all meet her. She gotta take her calls. She working from home. Hey, that's too loud. She working from home, but this looks so good. I'm about to taste me some. And I'm gonna clean this. Dang, look, she want to make me some freaking steak. That smells so good. Oh my gosh. But it's already mixed. I mean, it's already cooked. So, okay, y'all can have some fries. Y'all want fries? I want rice. Z. Fries or rice? It's lunch. Fries or rice?
Fries.
Okay, and see, London, you can't have that chicken. Chicken too spicy. Z, you can have the remainder of that chicken. I'll find you something, London. I think she might have some hot dogs somewhere in here. Okay, y'all, but this right here, I'm about to test it out. So hold on, y'all. Hold on. I'm about to test this L. Test this L, baby. We put some, y'all know how we gotta do. We gotta multitask this thing, okay? It smells so good. Oh my God, y'all. It didn't even take long to hook this up. That's just a quick meal. This is a quick meal right here. Not so quick because you're dealing with beef, but Once you know, saute everything, let it simmer, do its thing, put the seasonings what you want up in there, baby. That's it, y'all. I'm gonna try this. I was trying to show y'all what I was doing, but y'all probably can see from here, and I'll just bring it over there because I want to try this. This looks so good. It looks good. She got some beef in here. I don't want that much beef, but this is what it's looking like. And this is spinach, creamed spinach. I showed y'all the pack when we was, you know, making it, but this is what she ended up doing to it. And I'm about to try some. Let me find me a fork real quick. I just had to get this quick little footage real quick, y'all. I don't know why it's so dark. Yeah, that's dark. I'm gonna have to put y'all on. I need my light to work. Okay, here we go. We're gonna put it here. Close her cabinets. Close her cabinets, y'all. So this is what it's looking like. You're about to taste some, and let me see. Okay, that's different. It mainly tastes like the beef. The cream done left it. The cream left it, but it tastes good. Okay, hold on, baby. I'm gonna get some more of this spinach. This spinach is good. Now let's try some of this beef. Okay. Now the beef. So that's the only thing. You can taste the flavor, what she used. I don't know what all she used. But me, I would have let this meat marinated in something and then did it because the flavor is leaving the beef. But if you eat it all together, it comes together. Okay. Like I said, but you know, gotta be loud in the sauce, but I mean not the sauce, the salt. But it still came out good. And I never tried the spinach in the bag like that. I would normally just buy the spinach myself. Or that what's that other one? Dang, I can't think of it. I'm gonna have to ask her the other one. I think it's in a spinach family. Dang, what is it called? No, it's kale. Kale would be good. Kale would be good. Y'all gotta eat all this. Cause you gotta eat this while it's hot. But these were steak strips. This is good. Girl.